ultimately, my belief is a carrier's in business to do one thing, and that's pay a claim.
Mm,
And if you think about it, I mean, that's the reason we buy insurance, right? And I've never sold an insurance policy to a person hoping to use it, right?
yeah.
But when I sell that insurance policy, they expect it to be paid, and they expect it to be paid quick because they paid their premiums, and that's what they bought the insurance for.
Yeah.
So, that's where we decided that it'd be better to go partner with the carriers to truly solve this problem. And it's interesting when I did the research, the consumer actually thinks carriers don't want to pay claims. And
Yeah.
I'll tell you, that's 100% wrong.
Mm,
The carriers absolutely want to pay claims. However, they want to pay the right claims to the right people, and that's a totally different problem,
yeah.
right? So, once I realized that, the carriers aren't the big bad guys, right? They they absolutely want to help families in need, but
Mm,
um, you got to go through the correct process, and you got to do the regulatory requirements in order to complete that process. And that was where the rub was. And so we made that a lot easier on all parties involved, and why we've had some success.
yeah. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah. It's a big misconception all across the globe. I think the
Mhm.
carriers are seen as the big bad wolf as such, but
Mhm.
in reality, if a carrier can pay out more claims, then they
Mhm.
can have a better claims and benefits report, which is going to drive more business. So
Yep.
then they actually benefit from paying out more. Uh,
Absolutely, they do. Yep. Yep.
yeah, it's always interesting.